Hey guys, it's Mateo, and I got a Nerf gun war for you. That's right, a PvP Nerf gun war today. And I will be going against my friend here, Nicholas. And before we begin, I have two shout-outs to make. So for those YouTubers and people who like to watch YouTube like me, one YouTuber you could watch is Trey_24YT. Great YouTuber. You should totally check out his videos, subscribe, like. And then my second shout out, Matt_10 YT. He's also a great YouTuber. Subscribe, do anything, but totally check out his videos. They're awesome. And so let's begin. But one rule is, so we're staying in this room here, and if one of us gets shot 3 times by the other contestant, then the other person wins. And then one more thing, our filmer here today will be Gabi. And yeah, so he's totally cool. So first person gets shot 3 times by the other player loses. And let's begin 10 seconds before we start shooting. So let's do this. All right, go. Let's do this. Oh. Granted. That's a hit. Oh, this is nice. Nice up here in the bunk beds, Yes. All right, so that's 2-1 for both of us. Not bad so far for me. Oh, all right, that's 1 for me and 1 for him. So it's game point here. And there's no shots there. Let's finish it. I'm gonna spare you, little guy. Spare you. All right, that's no hit. No hit. Making you run. All right. Dead. Well, that was intense. Short, but intense and very breathtaking. All right, so I win. I hope you guys like that. Make sure to subscribe and keep being good YouTubers. Maybe you'll get a shout out from me. That was fun. So yeah, bye.